Welcome everyone to Arizona Jeep Adventures episode 9. My name is Danny. In this episode, we didn't have that much time for our adventure as most of my days off, my Jeep was in the shop getting new tires and Bilstein 5100 shocks. We are super excited about it. We did manage to still make it out, found a few obstacles and a mud puddle, and that ended up leading to me cleaning for a few hours, but I hope you guys enjoy the video, and we'll have another awesome long full length coming up. Thanks again, guys. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Please help us out. We do have that goal of hitting 100 subscribers by the end of April or start of May. So please hit that bell and the like. And thanks again.